All right, we're out here on this Grand Ledge project with Justin from Hamlin Landscaping. Justin, how you doing?
Not too bad, sir.
Good. So why Grand Ledge on this project?
Yes, the big concern about this project was a whole hillside erosion going into the lake. So we thought of a big modular block wall, and we came up with a Grand Ledge.
It's a pretty significant slope here, and it's a tight site. How were you able to negotiate that?
The easiest way is 4 blocks at a time on the pallet, bring it down this slope. The lifter with excavator, we lift right on site. It's a quick and easy process. You can lay a block as fast as the operator goes.
And how much usable space is up there? How much patio spaces were you able to claim?
There's gonna be a hot tub and a couple of other things. We able to add them at least another 10 to 15 feet off the house that they were never expected to use. So they were really thrilled about it.
I think you nailed the color too of the house. It's beautiful.
It is out of the 4 options, it's been very popular, and we've been really happy with the color on the steps to the wall product. It all went clean together.
So I understand you started this last fall, but what's your total time commitment in here so far?
Out of all 3 phases, we're about a month and a half in. And this wall and step project we're on week 3. Very challenging site with the hillside and such. But again, if ideal conditions, this is a fast, easy block to install.
As far as the soil conditions, is this pretty normal?
It's a lot of sandy. There's parts of northern Michigan it has clay base, but this is an easy, free draining sand, which is a blessing for us. We still have the 12 inches of base and geofabric around it, just for the proper drainage.
Yeah, I think you're doing this by the book. I see the open graded 6AA, and then you've got GeoGrid based on the cross sections that we sent you. Any problem installing that?
Nope, everything is an easy install, just by the book, and you just kind of have to read the instructions and good to go.
I was out here last week and you didn't have the steps installed yet. How long did that take you?
With this corner block and the wall block, we had 2 days of figuring everything out, grades and such like that, and I'm really thrilled how everything turned out.
And is this your first Grand Ledge install?
This is technically our first one, yes.
Nice.
And it has been for the most part, once you get the base done, it's smooth sailing.